Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Beauty and World Travels. This is part 2 of our vlog जहां हम डे 3 and 4 की जर्नी कवर करेंगे। यहाँ हम रंगपारा से सांकी वैली तक का सफर तय करेंगे। डे 2 पे हम गुवाहाटी से रंगपारा के टी एस्टेट्स में पहुंचे, जहां विशाल was hosting us at his lovely abode nestled between the lush green tea estates. We had a laid-back time on the third day there and just explored the tea gardens around. It gave us a good opportunity to relax and prepare for the trip to higher altitudes in coming days. Morning, we packed our bags and loaded freedom for our next destination, Sanki Valley. We bid goodbye to our lovely host and moved ahead towards the Sanki. The route to Sanki passes through Bhalupong, Sesa, Tenga, Bomdila and Dira. Our route would take us through tea gardens, jungles, riversides, and finally to the much awaited mountains of Arunachal. आज ओवरकास्ट मौसम था and weather was pleasant for biking. Rains were expected, but हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था जैसा मौसम हमें मिलने वाला था। सफर का मजा मंजिल से ज्यादा है। इसी सफर को और मजेदार बनाने के लिए थोड़ी पागलपंती भी जरूरी है, और शायद मेरे बेटर हाफ मेरी इस स्टेटमेंट से अग्री नहीं करेंगे। फॉर श्योर ही विल डेफिनेटली नॉट अग्री विद द यूज ऑफ वर्ड थोड़ी पागलपंती। और हाँ, गॉसिप इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर जर्नी। इट कीप्स अस अवेक, focused, and is the best time pass for a couple on road. And to be honest, our gossip sessions are a one-way street, a monologue, जहाँ सिर्फ मैं बोलती हूँ and well, he listens patiently and nods occasionally. आपको अपने सफर में ऐसे बहुत सारे आर्मी कॉन्वॉयज देखने को मिलेंगे अरुणाचल में, and such sights fill you with pride. And trust me, there are no safer roads than these where the presence of our soldiers is everywhere. Post monsoon की greenery is soothing and mesmerizing. जहाँ तक नजर जा रही थी, we could see different shades of green. And well, that brought out the crazy in us, dancing to our favorite track of "Do Mast Sitare Chale Zindagi Banane." And I must compliment PRO for such amazing roads. Although there were a few rough patches in between, but that's totally understandable because of such heavy monsoons in the region. फाइनली हमने पहाड़ों में एंटर किया and I couldn't be more happy. We have been dreaming about the mountain cold since the time we started planning the trip in the heat and humidity of Chennai. हमारी खुशी का कोई ठिकाना ही नहीं रहा, and even slushes, rough road patches, and landslides couldn't bring down our excitement. We were just too pumped up and were singing our hearts out. ये हंसी वादियाँ, ये खुला आसमां. Halfway through, somewhere near Sissa, it started raining and we stopped for a cup of coffee and a piping hot idli sambar. And again, army ki khatirdari didn't fail to amaze us. Who could have imagined such delicious spread at such an isolated and remote location? Yahan se aage, it was raining the entire time and you could see us donning the rain gear all the time. It is what it is. The roads were covered with misty clouds and we had to constantly wipe our visors to get a clear view of the road. I so wished we had a wiper for our helmets at such times. The clouds became denser as we moved ahead and visibility reduced to about 4 to 5 meters. It was like we were floating in clouds on our unicorn. आपको ऐसे काफी सारे waterfalls मिलेंगे रास्ते में, especially during monsoon season. You can never get enough of those, like ever. We finally reached the famous Nechipu Tunnel, which is the diversion between Tawang and the Zero route. The entire tunnel was filled with the fog and the exit gave us a majestic view of the mountains. And yes, you will get splashed like this by passing cars. Get used to it. We lost count of number of hairpin bends we crossed and number of times we both said wow. It was just too surreal. Adbhut. मॉनसून्स के टाइम पे ऐसे काफी लैंडस्लाइड्स आपको रास्ते में मिलेंगे, बट दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स द रूट अनप्रेडिक्टेबल एंड द जर्नी एक्साइटिंग. You get an opportunity to meet people at such places and learn more about the ever helpful locals. We stopped for lunch just short of Diram at a roadside restaurant, and simple spread of fried rice, noodles, and soup had us drooling. We also met a fellow traveling family who gave us some helpful pointers for our journey to Tawang and further to Gumla and Sangetsar. Grateful for such encounters. Finally, हमने दिरांग से राइट टर्न लिया for the narrow but scenic road to Sangti Valley, one of the most beautiful landscapes we have ever witnessed in our lifetime. I just don't have words to describe what we saw, and no camera can truly capture what we experienced there. It was pure heaven. Roads were slushy and narrow, but as they say, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. And it was indeed correct in this case. and we reached our homestay at Sampi Valley after 6 hours on the road that day. आगे की कहानी अगले पार्ट में. Stay tuned to experience this journey with us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Namaste.